Welcome to today's video. The topic of today's discussion is on doctrine of joint liability, or otherwise called constructive liability or group liability. Let's see what the doctrine of joint liability is. In a case where two or more persons are involved, either jointly or in group, and it is not possible to apportion criminal guilt of each of the participants, all the participants would be liable for the offense committed by any one or all the members of the group. This is based upon the doctrine of joint liability. The provisions relating to joint liability are contained in sections 34 to 38, 120A and 120B, 149, 396 and 460 of the Indian Penal Code. Sections 34 to 38 provides for the joint liability on the basis of common intention. Section 34 of IPC is on acts done by several persons in furtherance of common intention. By virtue of Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code, when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention of all, each of such persons is liable for that act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. In order to apply Section 34 of IPC, the following conditions should be satisfied. 1. A criminal act should have been done. 2. The criminal act must have been done by several persons. 3. All the offenders should have a common intention. 4. All of them should have acted in furtherance of that common intention. Section 35 of IPC provides in the case, when such an act is criminal by reason of its being done with a criminal knowledge or intention. Section 36 of IPC provides for the effect caused partly by act and partly by omission. Section 37 of IPC is on cooperation by doing one of several acts constituting an offense. Section 38 of IPC is on persons concerned in criminal act may be guilty of different offenses. Section 120A and 120B is joint liability of a member of a conspiracy to commit an offense. Here, Section 120A of IPC deals with definition of criminal conspiracy. Section 120B of IPC deals with punishment for criminal conspiracy. Section 149 deals with the joint liability of members of an unlawful assembly when an offense is committed in prosecution of the common object of the unlawful assembly. Section 396 is on joint liability of dacoits when a dacoit commits murder for committing dacoity. Section 460 provides for joint liability of persons concerned in lurking house trespass or house breaking by night when death or grievous hurt is caused by one of them. That's all for today's video. Subscribe for more videos. Click on the bell icon for more updates. Visit our website for MCQ exams and notes on this topic. A video from Law Aspirants Hub. Happy learning.